All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we got more cases for the iPhone 14 Plus, now that I officially have mine in. So here's some cases from Ringke. I think we know these cases in and out. We know all about them. So I'm going to start with the clear case. This is the Ringke Fusion, obviously. This is the Fusion lineup. I'm going to start with the clear case here. Let's get this peel off for you, some microphone action. Ooh. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. I cleaned the device already, so put this on. Now we get the back side peeled off. Wasn't nothing with that one, but you know, hey. So this case right here is obviously going to be good for people that want to show off their device. Now I am using the Ringke lens covers, so it obviously it fits right around the nice and snug, and you can see here the lenses are deeply recessed, but I got the lens covers on there, so I'm protected even more. So this is important. So I think that we're looking around the case here. It does have the lip up here, and also have a tempered glass on here too. It does have the lip going around each corner, so take note of that for drop protection. And it's raised a little bit too. And you got the power button here, spot for a lanyard down here, and you've got vibrate mute switch over here, volume rocker cover, lanyard on that side. Nothing on the top here, and all ports are lined up on the bottom. So if you're laying it down flat like this, you are gonna have protection. Simply put, it is gonna be protected. So this is the clear case for anyone out there that wants to show off their device and just show the color. I'll probably rock with this one. I have other clear cases from other manufacturers that I might show off too, because they're actually MagSafe too, but we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna peel this off here, and we'll set that to the side. And now we'll go ahead and do this joint right here. Don't troll me, don't troll me, don't troll me. Come on, baby, come on up out of there. Ooh, here we go. Yeah. Oh, it's two of them on there. Oh, man. All right, one more time. One more time. Come on, one more time. Here we go. Ah, yes. Let's put that on there. Make sure we get it around the camera bumps. And boom, that looks, oh man, I think I'm probably gonna rock this one. That clear one is so freaking nice, but this one has tons of grip, and man, it just looks beautiful. Oh God. I gotta rock this one. I gotta do it. I gotta use this one. I gotta use this one for now. It's ultra thin, drop protection, lots of grip. Looking around the top here, it's this soft touch up here, matte, but then you got these big bumpers on the corners right there to protect it. And then you have the vibrate switch and open here, and the volume rocker right there. Lanyard, they got these spots for these lanyards now. I guess some people really requested to have lanyards. So you got bumpers down here on each corner, and you got all the ports and everything that line up. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you, my bad for not showing you wireless charging. I'm slipping in my excitement. Okay, let's get this wireless charging going on. Wireless charging, of course it wireless charges. All these cases that are clear like this with the plastic or whatever, they're gonna wireless charge. So you know what I'm saying, like this is just a thing. If you got a plastic back on here like this, it's gonna wireless charge. So that's both cases, man. Golly, I was gonna rock out with this one right here, but this one right here is so nice. They're both nice. I'm just feeling this one. Ooh, you cannot tell me this is not fire right now. I'm so serious. This is really nice. Can you still see that Minion's face right there? I love it. These are lens covers from Ringke, by the way. So don't think that this is what your phone is gonna look like. These are the lens covers from Ringke, and they fit perfectly. Coverage and everything, photos, videos, everything is sweet on here. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Here we go, right here, Ringke. Let's put it like this. Get it to where that light, screw it. Boom, we done.